I'm getting baited, but I don't care. I just got legendary blink. Let's get it going. And I'm taking the sniper rifle.
Let's go.
Outside. Right outside.
Right in front of you.
Right outside my door to my right. Hit him 1200.
I just owned him. Oh my gosh, that was so sick! Oh, the throwing axe is awesome.
Honest him.
I'm sorry.
This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over.
Uno. Llevo un hit en el este. O yo, en el aire.
Delante de ahí.
¿Estamos aquí? ¿Lo veo? Vale,
Otro en el aire.
Otro y
Madre mía. Dos seguidos. Madre mía, el Warrior. ¿Cómo estoy hoy, hermano? ¿Cómo estoy hoy?
Hay uno, hay uno, sí.
Está saliendo, sí, lo veo. Hachazo que te parió.
Toma en la cara. Venga, para casa, crack.
Pues queda uno solo.
Al lobby.
Sí. Le veo.
Lo veo.
Está delatado el solo.
¡Qué hostia le he metido! Ay, Dios, qué hostia, loco. Le ha atropellado.
I got him. Dude, what the heck?
Run away!
Run!
Down!
He's got his hand down, dude. No! Look at this guy just running around with his arms out.
I know, he's like, hey, are we playing the game?
I blame you, Tim. I had like 5 kills.
Wow! Yeah, hey, chat.
Oh, actually,
this is...
I killed him! Oh my god! I'm fucking nuts! Wait, I just got hit? I just got hit.
Oh yeah, right here on me. Oh, I got hit. Above you. Above you.
They're fighting right now.
let's go. Push.
Got one.
And it's him, yeah!
Dude, that was badass! I didn't realize I got both of them.
100% win ratio, baby.
100% Crown Realm Royale. What's this game? We win.
Realm, we win, dude.
Bomb. Give a bomb. Here's a bomb. Bomb.
There's one chicken up top still. Get up top, baby. You got like 10 seconds until he's unchickenified. That's what I'm talking about. Hippie stopped last. I don't want to brag or anything, but I had 2 eliminations.